Hello guys. So now you know the difference between ArcGIS Online and ArcGIS Enterprise and ArcGIS Online for organizations. So in this section we will focus on ArcGIS Online public account, and in this video we will see an overview for ArcGIS Online. So the first thing to open on ArcGIS Online, when you go to arcgis.com, this is the homepage for arcgis.com or ArcGIS Online, and when you click sign in, you will have the option to sign in as an organization, which is ArcGIS Online organization, or you sign in as a public account. So right now we will log in using our ArcGIS Online public account. If you don't have one, you need to go and create a new account, and after you get an activation email, you will be able to come back here and log in with your account. So after we sign in, you will be able to see the home page for ArcGIS Online after you sign in, and you will see on the top here that you have your name and your account username, and when you click on it you will have the option to go to the profile. So let's go to the profile and see what we have here. So here in the profile you can change your picture, you can change your name, and here in the bio you can write some information about who you are, what you do, and what's your interest. So when people open your profile they can see this information, and here you can change your profile visibility to make it public or to make it only private for you. And here you can open the settings. Same thing, when you click here and say my settings, it will open the same thing. So here in the settings you can go back to the profile page by clicking here, and here you can change the email you used to create your public account, and here you can update your language, your location, your region, what units you want to be used using your calculations. For example, you can use metric or US standard. And here you can link multiple ArcGIS Online accounts. So for example, we have our organization account, we can link it here, so it gives us easy access to switch between the accounts. So here I'll say link an account, and I will say organization. I'll choose my organization, add the username and password, sign in, and I have my account been added to this account. And when I go back here and I do refresh, you will see that here right now I have the option to say switch accounts, and that will make me just click here and go to my organization account. So that's how you can link multiple accounts if you have multiple accounts, or if you have an organization account and ArcGIS Online public account, you can link them together by going here and manage linked accounts. Manage email from Esri. Here, if Esri is sending you emails about any updates or any newsletters, you can manage your preference here. You can unsubscribe, or you can choose what emails you want to receive from Esri. So let's go back here, and the second tab will be security, and in security you can change your password or change the security for your question. And here you can go to myesri.com, and as you remember in the beginning of the course when we created this account we purchased the license, and myesri is the place where you can manage your license, you can manage your subscription, you can download your application, and you can add users to your organization. So for example, here in my organization, you'll see that we have the license, downloads, and training. The same thing we did in the beginning of the course when we purchased the license. So you can just access myesri from your account right here. And here you can go the training available from Esri. You can access it from here, and also you can access it from myesri, and you go to training. So that will take you to the same place. Esri have some free training and also have some paid training if you are interested in their training. And here you can go to the community and forums, where if you have any questions, if you need any information about any product, you can post your question here, and someone from Esri or anyone in the community will reply to your questions. And also it's a really good place to find answers for any questions you have. So that's another way to access it, by clicking on community and forums. ArcGIS blog will open the Esri blog, the one that Esri post any new updates, any releases they posted on the blog. And also that's a good place to check and see what is the updates with Esri. You can access it from here. So here you can change your profile, change your settings, access myesri, access the training, community and forums, go to ArcGIS blog, and here the help will allow you to open the help for ArcGIS Online. If you need to know how to do certain things, or you need to search for a specific topic on ArcGIS Online, you can open help and try to find the answer for your question. And here you can sign out. So that's it for this part right here. And if you have any notifications, let's say for example someone shared with you specifically a map, or someone send you a message, or Esri itself like sending you any updates, you will receive it in your notifications. Right now we have no notifications. So right now let's focus on these tabs on the top right here. First, you have ArcGIS, which is going to take you to the homepage of ArcGIS. Here you have the overview, and here you have the pricing if you want to purchase ArcGIS Online organization or if you want to purchase any license. Here you have the map, and here you have the scene, and here you have the groups, and here you have the content. And in the coming videos we will discuss each one of them, but here once you click on the map, you will be able to open a new map that you can add your layers to it. You can configure it in different ways. You can share it, you can print it, and also you can configure your map however you want in order to save it to your content and share it with anyone. And at any time, if you have an open map, you can click here and go back to any of the pages we have in our home page. So we will go back to home, and then we will open scene, and scene is exactly the same thing. It will open a scene view map, and that will allow you to create a map or add 3D data to your map, configure your map the way you want, and also you can save it in your content and you can share it with anyone, working exactly the same way that works with the map. So let's go back again to the home page and see what else we have. And here you have the groups, and the groups is used to create groups that have specific access for specific maps. So for example, if you have maps that used by field users, you can create a group called field users. You add the users or the members to this group, and you define the content for this group. So this group only will see the contents for the maps that is used in the field. So that's where you do that, and that's where you create groups. You add members to these groups, and you add content or maps to these groups. And here you have your content tab where you see all the content. If you have any files uploaded here, you can see it right here. You can manage it from here. You can create folders, and also you can upload or create any items you have. And we will see all that in details in the coming videos. And here when you open your content, you will see your entire content right here, and if you have any folders it will show up right here. And here you have favorites, so you can make any of your content as a favorite to show up right here. Here you have your groups, same thing like opening the groups, but here it will show you a list of the groups. But in order to manage any group, you need to go to the groups tab right here. Here Living Atlas will open the Living Atlas for you, so you can search for any maps. You can search by any category, region, or item type, and it will filter these maps for you, so you can add it to your map if you want. So that's it for the overview. What is ArcGIS Online? So that's it for this video, and in the next video we will start dig deep in each item here, like the map, the scene, the groups, and the content, and see what can we do. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.